Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Hope you all are fine. This is my first lecture for class 10th computer science. In our first lecture, we will discuss our second chapter, Internet Services. Services provided by the Internet. Dear students, you know that the Internet is a big global computer network with millions of users connected to it worldwide. The use of internet is inexplicable both in our lives as well as society. It's not only a major medium of communication after television, but also the first mass medium that involves computers so that people can create and utilize vast information available on it. Because of this reason, internet is also referred as information superhighway. Dear student, you know that internet was earlier used by only scientists, research scholars and defense personnel. But now the situation is different. Today everyone can access the internet. Everyone can use the internet for their day-to-day work because of their low cost, easy accessibility, etc. Everyone access the internet. Today we will discuss one of the internet service, that is email. Before that, I will tell you about something about information retrieval. Information retrieval is the technique and process of searching and interpreting information from large amount of stored data. It is the accessing and obtaining information from the World Wide Web. इंफॉर्मेशन ऑब्टेन करना, इंफॉर्मेशन एसेस करना वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब से, इंटरनेट से, उसको हम इंफॉर्मेशन रिट्रीवल बोलते हैं. नाउ विल डिस्कस अबाउट ईमेल और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मेल. Dear viewers, you know that it takes days to send a letter across a country and weeks to go around the world with the help of postal mail. In order to save our time, in order to save our money, electronic mail is nowadays used. This is one of the most widely used applications on the internet. So, what is this electronic mail or email? It is an electronic message sent, received from one computer to another computer. Or we can say it's the worldwide exchange of digital messages on computer via internet. एक्सचेंज करना डिजिटल मैसेज कंप्यूटर पे विद द हेल्प ऑफ इंटरनेट, हम उसको ईमेल बोलते हैं या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मेल बोलते हैं. ईमेल, थ्रू ईमेल you can send text message, you can send image, sound, video across the globe. With the help of internet, the whole process of sending and receiving mails takes just a few minutes, allowing us to communicate easily and quickly with many people simultaneously. एक साथ हम बहुत सारे लोगों को मैसेज सेंड कर सकते हैं with the help of email. Within a few seconds, within a fraction of seconds, हम दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में ईमेल सेंड कर सकते हैं. ईमेल हैव वेरियस एडवांटेज ओवर ट्रेडिशनल मेल, जिसको हम पोस्टल मेल भी बोलते हैं, एंड स्नेल मेल बिकॉज ऑफ द लो स्पीड ऑफ द पोस्टल मेल. So what are the advantages of email over traditional mail? The first is low cost. The cost of exchanging emails is very little in comparison to any other mode of communication, that's postal mode of communication, etc. It's cheaper than any other mode of communication. The next is speed. Email is faster in comparison to ordinary postal mail. The electronic message can reach any part of the world in a fraction of a second. In a fraction of a second, you can send your message to any part of the country. Easy to use. This process, the emailing process, is so simple, and mails can be sent from your comforts, from the comforts of your office, from the comforts of your home, any time of the day. There is no fixed time for sending emails. There is no need to look for envelopes. There is no need to look for postage stamps. And uh, you don't have to visit the letterbox to post letters. You don't have to visit the post offices. You can create a message at your own convenience. Waste reduction. There is no need for paper. There is no need of pen for writing a mail, for typing a mail. In this way, you can save. When you don't write on paper, you can save the trees. So this makes the electronic mail environment friendly. But there are some limitations of email. What are the limitations of email? Let's discuss. Internet connection. To make use of this facility, to make use of the email service, you should have a computer, you should have an internet connection, an email address, and the necessary supporting hardware devices. And also, you should have a basic knowledge of computer and email before using this service. The next is unwanted mails. Some junk mails consisting of numerous advertisements can clog your mailbox. आपके mailbox में कोई ऐसी मेल आती है जो आपके mailbox को clog करती है, आपके inbox को clog करती है. Virus threat. Some viruses can be transmitted through email that can cripple your system, that can crash your system. So, all the received attachments, all the received messages must be scanned with a good antivirus program. These were some limitations of email. Now, the email address. What is an email address? Before sending any message or anything to other person, you should know the perfect address. You should know the perfect address of that person in order to deliver the product. Same is the case here. Email address is a unique address that identifies a location from where email message can be sent and received. It's a unique address. A unique address that identifies a location from where email message can be sent and received. ये एक unique address होता है. Unique address मतलब किसी दो बंदों का एड्रेस ईमेल एड्रेस सेम नहीं हो सकता है. दो बंदों का ईमेल एड्रेस सेम नहीं हो सकता है. ये वो एड्रेस है जो किसी बंदे को लोकेट करता है, कहाँ से आपकी मैसेज आई है और कहाँ आपको मैसेज भेजनी है, किस एड्रेस से आपकी मैसेज आई है, कहाँ पे आपको मैसेज भेजनी है. अगर आपको किसी को मेल सेंड करना है, आपके पास भी ईमेल एड्रेस होना चाहिए और उस बंदे के पास भी ईमेल एड्रेस होना चाहिए जिसको आपको ये सेंड करना है ईमेल. Dear students, to send an email to a person, you must know the exact email address of the recipient, as the email needs to be addressed absolutely correctly. उसका पूरा ईमेल एड्रेस आपको पता होना चाहिए जिस बंदे को आपको मैसेज भेजनी है. An email address is unique to the user and consists of 3 parts. The first part is the username, the second part @symbol, and the third part is the host name or the location of the email account on the internet. Email address 3 parts का बना होता है. The first part username, आपका नाम, कोई भी नाम, अपना नाम या किसी का भी नाम दे सकते हो. Second part is @symbol and the third part is host name या location of the email account on the internet. Is the location where is your email account. Is that in Yahoo, Gmail or Google, Reddit Mail, etc. Here is this email address seema121 yahoo.com. seema121@yahoo.com. seema121 is the username, @ is the separator, and Yahoo is the host name.com. Already I told in your first chapter that it's a domain name to which the organization, the an email belong. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपने कभी ईमेल एड्रेस बनाया होगा, आपको कभी मैसेज वहाँ पे आती है, आप कोई नाम लिखते हो तो वहाँ पे एक मैसेज डिस्प्ले होती है, द यूज़र नेम इज़ ऑलरेडी टेकन, चूज़ फ्रॉम द बिलो यूज़र नेम्स. So it means that the username is already taken. You have to choose from the below names because email address unique होता है. ये दो बंदों का सेम नहीं हो सकता है. I think this is all for today. Thank you. Stay safe.